Hello everybody and hello my friends. This video is for showing this antique 1 rupee coin, and I want to sell this coin. If you antique collector, so if you buy some very old some material, and so you can contact to me to buy it. So now I want to describe this coin. You can see in this video. So this is a 1 rupee coin, East India, 1840, and this metal is a silver, pure silver. In the back side, it is a Victoria Queen. You can see the Victoria Queen. This Victoria bump image, and the thickness, this one. If you want to buy, just contact to me. I put all the description in the description box, and my contact details, and this price, and I want to sell it. It is not you don't expect that the sale price would be an affordable price. I want to sell this antique coin to very high price, because it is a East India company, the made of East India company from London, East India company.